Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making an amazing pizza, Frutti Di Mare, packed with seafood flavors on the Karma 32 from WPPO. There's a couple of things we want to do before we start making the pizza. Number one and most important, pour yourself a glass of white wine because nothing goes better with a seafood pizza than white wine. Then you want to start working on the fennel. The first thing that I'm going to do to this is just remove the outer layer because it looks kind of nasty. Then I'm going to cut the fennel in half. Next, we need to remove the core from the fennel because that's tough and it's not going to cook very well. Now I want to slice it on the thinnest slices on my mandolin. Just be careful so you don't cut yourself. When the fennel is sliced, set aside 2/3 for later, and then we're going to finely chop the last third. You also want to remove some of the fennel leaves from the stalks. Then it's time to put the finely chopped fennel into a pan. You also want to add 2 cans of the Urban Slicer pizza sauce and about 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. Now it's time to simmer this for about 10 minutes and set it aside. You also want to take some smaller scallops and slice them into slices and set these aside as well. Now it's time to heat up the oven. Put a couple of logs in the pizza oven, add the fire starter, light it, and then you want to heat up the stone until it reaches a temperature of about 800 degrees Fahrenheit. This will take about 45 minutes to an hour. Then it's time to shape the pizzas, and we're using the Urban Slicer Neapolitan style dough mix for this pizza. When you have the pizza on the peeler, you want to add the pizza and fennel sauce. Next, you can add a layer of some herbs. We're using our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Seafood Boost. And now it's time to sprinkle it with mozzarella cheese and plenty of it. Now we want to add the seafood, so start with adding slices of scallops. And then you want to add some already cooked black mussels without the shell. Then you want to add some cooked shrimp as well. The North Atlantic shrimp would work best for this dish. Last but not least, we're going to sprinkle it with the shaved fennels. Then it's time to bake it in the pizza oven for about 2 to 2.5 minutes. Halfway through, you want to rotate the pizza about 180 degrees. Dome it quickly and then remove it. Before serving, we're going to top it with some of the fennel sprigs, and then it's ready to serve. And that is how I make my pizza Frutti Di Mare on the Karma 32 wood-fired pizza oven. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this. And it just smells like the ocean. So here we go. The scallops, the mussels, the shrimp. Then you get the freshness with that licorice flavor from the fennel. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. My friends, happy grilling.